In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Figma grids. We'll use Figma's community to quickly grab ready-made grid setups you can apply to your own designs. This approach is great when you need consistent columns, gutters, and margins without building everything from scratch. First, head to figma.com in your browser or open the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in so you can access and work with files. Once you're in, look for the community section. This is Figma's built-in library of free resources shared by creators around the world, templates, UI kits, and in our case, grid frameworks. In the community, use the search bar and type the word grid. You'll see a range of files designed for web, mobile, and other platforms. We're focusing on files that include layout grids or grid templates. And if you're targeting a specific platform, you can add terms like web or mobile to narrow things down. The idea is to find a file that matches the type of project you're building. When you spot a grid resource that looks promising, click into it. Take a moment to review the preview images and description. Look for details like the number of columns, gutter width, and common breakpoints. This helps you pick a grid that aligns with your design goals, whether you're aiming for a 12-column web layout or a tighter mobile grid. Next, click Open in Figma. The file will open in your workspace so you can inspect and use it. Give the canvas a moment to load, then explore the frames. Most grid files include frames with layout grids already applied. Select a frame that represents the grid you want to use. Now copy the grid. You can copy the whole frame if you want a reference, or copy just the styling. If you only need the layout grid settings, use copy properties so you bring over the grid without extra layers. This keeps your project clean while preserving columns and spacing. Finally, paste it into your project. Open your project file, select the target frame, and paste. If you copied properties, the layout grid will apply to your selected frame. If you copied a reference frame, paste it onto your canvas and keep it nearby as a guide. Double check that the grid matches your frame size and adjust values in the right-hand panel if needed. A quick tip, you can toggle layout grids on and off to check your alignment using the shortcut Command or Control plus the apostrophe. With that, you've brought a professional grid into your workflow and are ready to design with precision.